Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. You need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So first of all, we have to go to search bar and type here device manager. So here it is, click on it to open it. Once we are here, we need to expand the universal serial bus controllers option drivers, and then in the last, right click on it, select properties, go to power management and uncheck this option. Once done, close this window and the first particular device, right click on it, select properties, go to drivers tab and simply click on update driver. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection, then select the first option. Then the base driver will be installed automatically. If this not works, then just go back, select browse my computer for drivers, select this option, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then select the model and click on next. So the best driver will be installed automatically, and once done, just close this window, close all windows one by one and just restart the system. You can also check out our pinned comment or in the description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video, please do subscribe the channel.